Hey, how was your weekend? Hope it was good, because spring came over the weekend, so that's some pretty good news, right? We had some warmer weather where I am, so we got out and enjoyed it. But now it's back to trading. That's one of the great things about Monday. So if you were looking for a reason for Monday to be awesome, you can trade today. I guess you could trade Sunday too if you do futures. I do not, however. Sometimes I guess I do in this paper trader. But anyway, I need some negative deltas. Do you? Well, let's look at putting some on today. In IWM, you see that over here, which has a liquidity rank of 4, drops out of 4, and an IV rank of 10. So definitely candidates for some long premium and hopefully some expansion in volatility. So we are near some highs. I'd like to be a little contrarian. And when I looked at some of the indices, I'd seen several down days in a few of them, and I don't want to do that. I don't think you're going to see too many down days in a row without a little bit of a bounce back up, where a Russell here has seen some down and up right now. So I think we can take a position here. So let's hop on in and take a look, shall we? Hi, my name is Neil. I'm down here in the bottom left corner again, and this is Option Theory. I want to thank you so much for joining us. On screen here, you can see the chart for IWM. That is the ETF that tracks the Russell 2000. I want to pay attention to this area over here. We have seen some down movement like we have seen in the other, like the SPYs and Qs. Although I can't say for sure on the Qs, because I know SPYs and diamonds. I looked at the Dow as well. Similar down movement, but at least there's a green candle here, so there was an up day. I don't want to see too many down days in a row and then continue to get on that trend. I want to be contrarian here. So I think this is our candidate. So let's take a look at doing a long put vertical, shall we? Let's head over to the Analyze tab. I'm going to be in the April 30th weeklies, which is as of today, which is March 22nd, 2021. We have 39 days left to expiration. So scroll down to the At the Money put section here. I would look at buying the 228 put and selling the 226 put here. That gives us a debit of 85 cents. So we are risking less than we can make. In this case, although Russell is down 0.25% in pre-market, futures trading here. So yeah, there we are. 85 cents. Are you willing to risk $85 to possibly make 115? We'll take a look at our probabilities of that happening, shall we? Notice, by the way, we have one contract here. And yeah, yours might say 10. Watch out for that. Let's go to the risk profile. Let's dial in the date that we see in turquoise here, which is May 1st. And I usually like to spread this out so the expected moves are near the edge. There we go. We want this price slice to be right where that turquoise line crosses this $0 axis. That's the break-even point at expiration. Set slices to break even at expiration. And let's go ahead and set a slice to chart. So we want IWM to cross through this red line and ideally stay down there long enough. Or go far enough, fast enough. It can bounce back, but remember, we want to look to take this off when we reach 50% of our maximum profit. Or we can even take it with less if it moves fast enough. So depending on what happens today in Russell, although now it's at 0.19, maybe there's going to be a comeback. I mean, Team Red appears to be winning a little bit, except for, look at this weirdo. It's like everybody else is down except NASDAQ. What's going on there? Something I don't know about? Probably. All right, so let's go over here. We see our probabilities here of 53% probability of ending up on this side, and I like those probabilities, especially on a long debit spread like this as well. And so our P50 for this one, I think, is in the 62% area. If I take a quick peek over here, 63%. All right. It went up 1% since the last time I looked. 63% probability of taking off, let's call it $60. All right, 57.50. Right? There you go. So let's say you make it to 50, 60 bucks on this one, close this trade, right? That's what I manage this trade. Or yeah, there we go. Cool. I'm going to right click this trade, do the confirm and send, take a look, and we see that 115 is our max, 85 is our max loss, And I like these probabilities. Give me some bearish delta so that in case on a day that we have a down move, it will hurt less. Okay, let's go ahead and hit send. All right, and it is now in our working orders. I've moved some trades around to where they belong here, and the iron condors and etc. So how are you doing? Are you ready? Did you need some bearish deltas? Would love to hear from any of you in the comments. I appreciate your views. If you made it this far into the video, I owe you a thumbs up. If you feel that I've earned a thumbs up, there is one down there, and if you tap it, I'd be really grateful for that. Thank you so much. If you're new here, stick around for just a second. I want to tell you, you can join us. This channel isn't meant to just watch. I want you to get clicking with us. You can do that. Step number one, how to do that, go down to the description. There's going to be an email that you want to sign up for, an email list. It's not my email list, it's Tasty Trades. They send out cherry bombs. We do those 4 days a week. On Mondays, I try to do my own trade or a trade that I get from a viewer like you who leaves me a comment about an underlying they'd like to see traded. So sign up for that. It's a new link because Tasty Trade changed their email sign up page. So go there, sign up for all the emails that you want. None of them are spammy. All of them are great stuff. So please go ahead and do that. Step number 2, when you're ready to put a ring on this one, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because options trades have time value, right? And that'd be great if you could join us. Watch these videos. I've done a series on getting started with Thinkorswim. It's in my playlists. So in case you're brand new, check that out. That'll get you up and running with Thinkorswim so you can do the paper trading just like I do. Because this is our flight simulator. Why not learn to fly the plane before you're putting your real life at risk? Okay? Thank you so much for joining. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's first cherry bomb trade of the week, everybody. Until then, may the market be with you.